Hello, let's see how to maintain the torch body. This is the cartridge assembly. This is the torch body, and this is the mounting tube that holds the torch. First, we are going to remove the mounting tube by unscrewing it from the torch body. Inside you will find all the torch lead connections. Here is the coolant supply. Here is the coolant return. This is the pilot connector. And these are connections to the plasma and shield gases. The left-hand thread is for plasma gas and the right-hand thread is for shield gas. This here is a non-return valve. This prevents the coolant from dripping out from the torch through the return hose. We can remove the non-return valve using a 1/2 and 3/8 inch trenches. Remove the cap and you will find a ball inside. Make sure the ball is round and doesn't have any wear to it. The cap should also be clean and the O-ring intact. Put the valve back by first dropping the ball inside and then screwing in the cap. Tighten with tools. Let's remove the consumables and check the O-rings and the coolant tube. Unscrew the cartridge assembly from the torch body. The O-rings come in a kit like this. The torch body has 4 O-rings. The 5th O-ring in here is not a sealing O-ring, it's just for a reference mark. To remove the O-rings, just use your fingers so you don't damage the torch body. For the lubricant, you need a very small amount. Grab a tiny amount of grease and spread it between your fingers. Then just wipe the O-rings with your fingers. You don't need much and you should not even see the white grease in the torch body. Next, we are going to remove the coolant tube. Take a 3/8 inch trench and open the nut. Then pull out the coolant tube. The coolant tube has an O-ring and a spring. You put it back by pushing in the coolant tube, and then you screw in the nut. Don't over-tighten the nut so that you avoid breaking the torch body. That was all about the torch head. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.